Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see old stories on Facebook. And here's how it is done. Depending on your device, tap the menu button located either at the bottom right for iOS or top right for Android. Scroll down the menu and expand the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on Settings to open the Settings menu. Scroll down into Settings menu until you find your Activities section. Look for Activity Log and select it. Alternatively, you can access the activity log by going to your profile. Tap on See Your Profile in the menu. Click the three dot icon next to Edit Profile. From there, select Activity Log. Once in the activity log, you will see two options for checking your old stories. Tap on Archive in the top left, then select Story Archive to view all your saved stories. Alternatively, select Activity History to see interactions related to your stories. Tap on Archive, Story Archive. You can click on any story to view it in full. You can also manage your archive settings or delete specific stories if needed. That's everything you need to know about how to see old stories on Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.